Hello, everyone. Today, you will see what happened to Noah.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tell us your opinion in the comments.
Mom, can we go play? Please?
Yes, but be careful.
My chocolate ice cream is so good. Faster, Mom! I can't run fast!
The huge brown dog reaches the fallen chocolate ice cream on the ground. The dog starts smelling it carefully with the nose.
Run, Noah! Run faster, Noah! The dog is still there!
Ethan, the kids!
Come quickly. We're coming.
It's okay, kids.
Bruno, come here! Bruno?
Bruno, sit down.
He listens to her. I was so scared.
Bruno loves ice cream.
He likes my ice cream.
Here, Noah. For me? Yes.
Hello, Bruno. He is friendly now. Bruno likes you. Can I touch him?
Yes, gently.
I'm sorry. Bruno ran away.
It's okay now. He was very scary already.
He is playing! Bruno is friendly.
For me?
He wants to play with you.
Good job, Noah. Bruno is my friend now! Yes!
want the ball? Throw it.
Good boy, Bruno. Can I pet him?
Of course.
He's long.
Bruno likes you.
Water!
No!
I need to take Bruno home soon. Bruno is leaving? Already? Bye, Bruno. We will miss you.
Bruno came back! Bye, Bruno.
Good boy, Bruno. Come on, Bruno. Time to go.
Bye, Bruno. Bye, Bruno.
Goodbye!